First, we need to divide the background into left and right. To achieve that, we use a square shape. Choose a nice orange gradient. Fit to screen, and move it to the left. Add a product image. Today I used an example from Dyson. Crop nicely. Place it in the middle. Change the background color to black for the right side. Duplicate the product image, and we will need to separate the left side from the right so that it will be easier for us to adjust the colors. As you can see, now they are separated. Duplicate the images, and the duplicated image will enable us to adjust the color later on. For the left side, we want to reduce the contrast to -100, adjust the tint and brightness to get a light orange color. Change the blend mode to color burn. For the right side, reduce the contrast to -100, adjust the tint and brightness to get a purple color. Change the blend mode to color burn. Adjust the original images for better contrast and brightness. Next, add text. Duplicate the text for the right. Change it to gray. Go to Graphics, Effects and look for Fire Overlay. Add this in. Rotate and fit to text. Change the blend mode to Overlay. Now we have a flame animated text. To add some ambient effect, go to Graphics, Effects. Add a particles footage. Rotate so that the direction is correct. Crop the footage. Adjust the contrast and brightness, so it blends well with the dark background. Duplicate and adjust the crop for the left side. Change the hue, contrast and brightness to suit the orange background. Open the timeline. Add a slide in animation to the product images. Add fade in animation to the texts. Make sure it starts slightly later. For the finishing touch, add a reflection. And we are done.